Hi, I'm Tony Sven, Hillside Christmas Tree Farm, doing a little home project now, and I have had good success with the MasterForce 80 volt series. So I purchased the 21-inch self-propelled lawn mower. I don't mind the other stuff, doing some cleaning. I built a chicken coop inside the garage, so it's been chaotic, and I finally moved it out there. So we're doing some spring cleaning. So I did the assembly video. Should share that soon. Now we're gonna do the first cut. So to get this thing going, and yeah, like I said, first cut, battery's in, the safety key is inserted. It will not start without that. So we push the start button, which is right on top here, and we hold the start button and then hold the start key, and we hear it spin up, right? And then to get it going, actually self-propelled, get it going, and we pull the lever. So give it a minute and it'll disengage. So we are going to start cutting the grass and see how it goes for the first cut with our 80 volt max MasterForce cutter here. All right, did a couple laps there. Seems lighter to turn. Obviously pulling backward when the gear is still engaged doesn't work very well. So that's something I'll get used to. So I'm gonna disconnect from that thing. It's kind of awkward. You mow your lawn, you have a certain pattern and stuff you do. Well, filming this, getting out of my pattern. So I'm gonna hook up some stuff a little differently to film this. And yeah, we'll put this thing through the paces, go through the controls a little closer. Yeah, why don't you follow along and see how I mow my lawn at home. All right, so like I talked about, so we have the levers. We have the start lever, the start button, and then we have the drive levers. And then we have the speed, which is actually how fast we'll be walking, and the switch over battery-wise. It tells you how batteries. There are 2 batteries that can be installed. Right now, I only have 1. So to start, you push the button and then pull the start lever. And then once it's going, you can do that. So we hear it, we can hit the turbo button to really boost it up. So we hear it spool up, spool down, and then we can let it go. Once it's down, and then to start, we have to do the same thing again. So that's how that'll have to work. All right, so we're going to do some walking now. All right, that does it. So I did get all the yard done with my 5 amp hour battery. I pulled it out, I'll charge it up, and I'll store it on my little shelf here. Now the whole reason one of the bigger reasons that I bought this thing was for the storage. So you pull the little levers, fold it up, got it locked. Bam, right there. A little more for all the kids' bikes and stuff. Vertical storage, very nice. Doesn't stick all the way out, like all the way out to here like the other one did. Maybe there's a gas one. So yeah, definitely lighter, easier to maneuver around. Obviously we have as you saw, a pretty I don't know, garden in the back, right? A lot of boxes, a lot of maneuvering around, the AC, little incline there. So definitely nice to have something lighter, easier to maneuver. Takes a couple seconds for the drive to become disengage and get in neutral, but that's I got used to that pretty quickly. So all in all, good, pretty happy. Got used to adjusting the speed. My other mower wasn't self-propelled, so it took a bit getting used to which lever was which. Kind of reminded me of the DR that we have, right? One always, was the drive that you had to keep going, so I used that for the blade, and then let go of the safety and the drive. So yep, I'm pretty happy with the purchase. I bought it from Menards. I think Menards is the exclusive for MasterForce. In my reading, it's the same thing as kind of the Eco Greenworks, I think, is the same as MasterForce. So batteries are interchangeable. I'll put links down below. Pretty happy. So yeah, next I'll charge up my 2 amp hour one and do this string trimming. And yeah, I won't record that, but yeah. All right, thanks for watching.